Hi everyone, welcome back to this video. Now today I'm going to share with you why you need a Facebook group in 2020. Hi everyone, welcome back to this video. Now today I'll share with you the 3 things that you need to know about Facebook group. Here are the 3 main points that I'll cover in this video. The number 1, why you need a Facebook group. And of so many social media, why does a Facebook group have so much value that you can give to your target audience and target customer? Now number 2, how can you get to 100,000 people to look at your posts? Now, have you ever wondered how many people actually view your post that you posted on Facebook, be it on your social profile or be it on your Facebook group or Facebook page? Now today, we're going to find out what's that one tool that can help you to uncover the most popular post that you ever post or the post that your audience like the most. So today, I'm going to share with you. So if you're first time on this channel, do subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell so that my next video, you receive a notification. So why you need a Facebook group? Number 1 is to help you to gain your initial following. When you're new to the market, new into the industry, a lot of people might not know you. And probably they are thinking, who is this person? Because you don't have a social proof. So by having a group, you can slowly build up your audience and people that like you, your products or services. And also it's for you to get feedbacks. If you have a range of products that you're going to launch or you have services that you want to provide to your existing customer, you can get feedback by posting a poll to let your customer choose what kind of service or product they would like to see. And at the same time, they can use whatever you post to share it out to their friends. We know that most of the time, if you post on your website, chances is that people will not share onto most of the social media. But if you're already on social media, it makes it much more easier for them to share it out to their friends. And also at the same time, you can capture your audience permanently. Now think about it. When was the last time that you unjoined a group? Most likely is you won't. Statistics show us that usually when you join a group, it's either you participate actively or you forget about it. But at the same time, you can reach out to your target audience and fans as and when you need. Next, how do you get to 100,000 visitors to your site? Do you know that actually there's less than 10% of the group member will see what you post? Even if you have a personal profile or personal page, whatever you post, there will be less than 10% of the people that's able to view what you have posted. Now, why is this so? Now, this is because that Facebook actually is a paid social media platform and Facebook want you to pay in order to get your post exposed to more people. So how do you get to 100,000 visitors to view your post? So what you can do is you join 10 groups that's more than 100,000 members. If each group have about 10,000 members or so that visit your page, you get about 100,000 members that's visiting your page. But one thing you need to take note is that in order for the visitors to engage with your group, you need to post regularly to provide values. And don't post the same content over and over again onto all the different groups, because this will get yourself a red flag whereby Facebook will actually block you. Do not post the same content you have on your group onto all the different groups. You can share to some of the groups the similar content, however try to tailor your content or take some of the content you have posted before to share it or to recycle it onto other groups so that people actually see that you actually provide a value and not just copy and paste. So let's take a look now at what are some of the Facebook groups that have more than 100,000 members. Now on this Facebook group is called Start Your Own Business. We can see that there's close to about 166,000 members, and this group took about 6 years to reach this level. And let's take a look at another group called the Coffee Rocks group. You can actually check the creation dates on the right hand side. The creation date is 2006. Just click on About page, you will be able to see when this group was created. And this group have about close to 109,000 members. And the next group is Graphic Design. So this group have close to about 164,000 members. Yep, it was created in 2007. So you can see that the length of the creation of the groups does not matter. What matters is that how do you get people to join your group? A group can be created in less than 5 years and have 100,000 members, and a group can be created in 1 year and have 100,000 members. So it all depends on how you reach out to similar groups and work with the group administrator to get their members to be interested, or the content that you post complement to what the other group is posting. Now, number 3 is this site called the socialgraph.io. Now, in my previous video, I mentioned about this site before and show how the setup is being done. Now, I would like to mention this site again because right now there are some changes to this site, and at the same time, this site is still fairly useful where you can know your audience, and at the same time, you can know what are being shared most by your members and also what posts have the most impact or the most engagement. And for example, the posts that work best in terms of rating, reaction, shares, and comment. Now let's take a look at socialgraph.io. Right now I'm on the socialgraph.io site. You can actually sign up for a free account using your Facebook, and the Facebook site basically need you to set up this app onto your Facebook group. So all the groups that you actually set up where you are an administrator, you will have access on this page. And if you see there is this red button called that says install application, means that you need to set up the application onto this group before you can view the stats. And do take note that all the groups are on this site. You can only view your own group. In the previous version actually allows us to view other groups, but now this option has been taken away. And this site actually right now offer a paid subscription service as well, whereby you can view more information. Let's take a look at one of the groups that are set up. Now you can see from here that this software actually scans through all the posts on your group. At the same time, they're providing you the activities that, for example, the post, the reaction, the shares, the comment from day 1 till now. And you can look at the different types of engagement like ratings, reactions, share, and comments. For example, I wanted to know which of my posts here that I post have the most number of reactions. I can click on this tab to sort it, to take a look at the rating. The rating is basically given by the system itself to look at the type of engagement. The higher the number, the more interaction there is on this particular post. On this, so with the data over here, you can better engage your audience in terms of knowing what they like and what they don't like, and what they will share and what they don't share. Of course, there is a paid version, which is, they call it the premium version, if I'm not wrong. Yep, there is a premium version whereby you can view the active members that contribute the most and those inactive members. If you want to upgrade into the subscription models, they have 2 plans. One is the free plan where you can use it, try it out for 14 days, and the premium, you can actually pay about $20 per month to get subscribed in order to get into all the advanced features. However, I'm not an affiliate of this site. You can try it out on your own, or if you do not want, just go with a free plan first. So in summary, today you have learned that Facebook group actually allows you to establish your online presence, at the same time engage audience at the same time, and also to understand what your customer want. Number 2, you can reach out to more people to know your brands through joining other groups that are above 100,000. At the same time, sharing the values that you can provide to the marketplace to engage in the conversation to bring all this audience into your group. And number 3, using the socialgraph.io site to understand your target audience more and to know what they really want and exactly what kind of posts will engage them the most. So I hope that this video is useful to you. Do like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.